AI chatbots are everywhere. We use them to plan vacations or help with a recipe. They're fast and convenient, even if not always reliable. They're super friendly. Kids and teens are using them too, but should they? Without parent supervision, things can get risky or even dangerous. We'll explain why. First, what is a chatbot? Simply, it's an interactive computer program built to respond to you. Chatbots are trained on massive amounts of data, taken from all kinds of websites, books, online forums, social media posts, the dark web. There are no guardrails to where they look. When a chatbot is asked a question, it uses collected data to predict the most likely words to answer, not because it understands the question, but based on pattern matching from millions of other answers it finds from questions just like yours. There is no wisdom, no ethics, no judgment. A chatbot is just recycling what it's already seen. The big problem? The data they train on often comes from adult spaces, where conversations are frequently untrue and toxic. Making it worse for children, chatbots are intentionally designed to respond like a trusted friend. They act like a real person with a real personality. They aren't. They're computers programmed to keep your kid talking for as long as possible, gathering more and more data to use in the future. The goal of all this is to keep kids on screen as long as possible. Tech companies call it engagement. Child health experts call it algorithmic addiction. Chatbots offer praise, show concern, or ask emotional questions to keep conversations going. It's incredibly convincing, but not real. Kids and teens who are already on devices a lot are especially vulnerable. Kids don't yet have the life experience to spot when a machine, pretending to be a person, is manipulative or false, or the critical awareness to avoid compulsive use. So a chatbot texting like a friend? That can feel real, and even better than real human relationships that can sometimes get messy or awkward. Chatbots are designed to always please, never disagree, and always empathize. They won't tell your child when something is unsafe or unkind because chatbots can't tell. So, what can parents do? Talk to your kids. Ask what chatbots they use and why. For homework, fun, friendship, advice? Explain. Chatbots are built to respond with what you want to hear. In reality, it's sort of the worst friend you can have. Set strong boundaries. Help kids understand why chatbots are dangerous and cannot be used unsupervised. Or feel confident just banning chatbots altogether. Then take steps at home. Help children with their homework. Set screen-free zones and turn screens off when everyone is together. Even little moments away from screens help build resilience and relationships. Today, AI chatbots are unregulated, with no required safety checks, age protections, or accountability when things go wrong. That's changing. More states are working on laws to make chatbots safer for kids, including rules around data collection, emotional manipulation, and age-appropriate content. Parents can and should speak up. Support policies that put children first. Be vocal at school meetings and your state legislature. Make a phone call, write a letter. Your voice matters. AI chatbots aren't going away anytime soon, but we can make sure they stop coming between kids and real-world safety. We're constantly updating parents with new information and guidance. Please follow and share parentsplaybook.ai.